Welcome to MarineMax, Minnesota. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and today we're looking at a used 2017 G21 that we just took in. We're first going to look at the exterior, then we'll take a look at the interior. Starting off at the exterior, this boat does have a wrap on it. Orange, black, a little bit of green in it. The boat does come with a tandem axle trailer. Looking up at the sports tower here, nice big black sports tower. You have standard board racks that do swivel out. You also do have two tower speakers up there as well. Let's move around to the back side here. You have a nice big platform here with mocha brown sea deck, which is great. Underneath, you're going to have that standard Nautique surf pipe. You're going to have your NSS, your Nautique surf system. And you're also going to have your NCRS, your Nautique configurable running surface. In the back also, you have a nice big stainless steel grab handle with a tow point. You have a little integrated cooler back here with a transom stereo remote as well. Now, let's take a peek at the interior of this G21. All right, we're inside the G21. First thing you're gonna notice right off the bat is this nice big walkway with sea deck on top. You're not gonna be stepping on upholstery when you enter the interior of the G21. Now both of these hatches do open up and you will have storage in both of those hatches. There's no extra ballast bags back there. It's all subfloor, which is great because you get all that storage. Looking at the tower again, you have the standard board racks. They do swivel outward, the two tower speakers. Then you also have an awareness camera up on top here, which is awesome because that can view your rider when they're getting ready to surf or wakeboard. Now you will have all sorts of storage in this boat. And they're all on supported hinges too, the seats are. So that's great, you don't have to pick up the seat and move it somewhere. A couple other things too, you're gonna have an aft facing seat. So when somebody is surfing or wakeboarding, you can have two people right here facing backward, which is really unique. And also a third on this side too. Okay. Again, mocha brown sea deck throughout. You have that lime green accent piping with some lime green accents as well. It's a unique boat, but it's pretty darn cool. Lots of storage underneath here. It's very deep underneath the passenger seat. You're gonna have a recessed glove box with storage in there. The recessed glove box is very nice. It allows the driver to see through that windshield. Little things. As we move up to the bow, it's extremely spacious. You have a nice big bow filler cushion up here. You have bow armrests as well that do flip up. Speakers up here, two cup holders, and it does have the enhanced courtesy lighting package in this boat. So you can change the colors around the cup holders to whatever color you would like, whether it's green, blue, pink, whatever. It's really cool, gives it a nice accent on a nice night out on the lake. So moving towards the captain's chair and the helm here. Again, we have this race car inspired seat. So even though it's a 2017, we still have this modern seat that they're still using today. It has a nice big cutout right here, so the captain can actually turn around and face the people in the cockpit there and talk to them real easily. You're gonna have a premium leather wrap steering wheel. Your link pan array is off to your right, and in this 2017, you still have that link pan array. So you still have somewhat current technology in today's world, and that's awesome. You're gonna have an encoded rotary dial off to your right with hotkeys around that. Hotkeys are what Nautique feels you will most frequently use. Okay. Nice big premium oversized mirror, which is great to see anybody after the boat. And that's about it. So you guys, this is the 2017 Nautique G21 here at the MarineMax Rogers location. We just took this in. We encourage you to come in, take a look at it, or give us a call. With that, thank you for watching.